Hello guys, today we are going to learn how to get dolphin and play games on it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is either get the beta version, the development version, legacy version, which is like it's like really old versions of Dolphin. Like look at this. The latest version was 7 years and 5 months ago, so it was a long time ago. We got Linux distribution, got source code, and you just click here to install Dolphin, and yeah, I don't understand a whole bunch. Okay, anyways. So, I recommend just in the beta version. It's like the happy medium between updates. So like they don't do it too late, too early, because they got the development version. The latest version, like they're making new version every single hour. They make a version, like or just to make different versions for Dolphin within hours. So just get the latest version of beta version I recommend, and pick which system you have. So you're gonna want to pick which system. I already have Dolphin, so I just need to download it. Next, you're going to need your Wii games. I can't show you where to get them legally, because if I do, I'll be in jail. I'll get into legal trouble. But I can tell you this. I can tell you this. If you search up RONs, ROMs, RONs, and if you go onto Vinzale, for example, because just go on Vinzale, trust me, go on Vinzale, and download whatever Wii game you want, okay? Whatever Wii game you want. So I downloaded a game, ROM. I can't say this. I just can't. So I downloaded Donkey Kong Country Returns. This is the United States version. It's in English, French, and another language. Yes, that's an acronym for something. That's as much as I know. So Dolphin can't must recognize this file just like this. So you're gonna have to right click like you've seen. You're gonna have to extract all. And just put it wherever you want it. And go here. See it's doing its thing. I'll be back once it's done. You can also use this handy software called 7-Zip, which is a faster version. It's an extraction tool, which is exactly what you need to do through ROM in order to play it. So just go to 7-Zip if it's installed, go to extract here, or go on right above it if you want it someplace else. And it's going to take a little bit over a minute depending how fast your computer is. I'll meet you back when it's done. So after that's done, go to Dolphin. And I know you see all these games here, including GameCube games. I got these games by going to the directory, going to config, paths, game folders, and my these are where my Wii games are. It's here. We were just there, so you would have saw all of them. It's my GameCube games I hear. But anyways, then C uses KB desktop and emulation games. Not only that, but you should set up real wheel modes using a dolphin ball. This one here is mine. It costs $50. It's a Mayflash dolphin ball off of Amazon. What I had is only works with Wii and the GameCube games on Dolphin. Even like mods work with it, like modified games. But anyways, I leave this in the description if you want to buy one yourself. It comes with as a stand. Like I had this on my monitor over here since this one is like it's not beef bulky enough for us, but it's fine where it is. Anyways, you should go set up and like your GameCube controllers, your Wii remotes. There's even an option with Wii remotes if you have a dolphin ball, but if you don't, you could just go to emulation and just map it out. And you can even set up another controller, so like it doesn't have to be a dolphin ball or actual Wii remote to set up dolphin. You could just go like you could just click A here and press a button and it snaps like and here we go again. A press the button, it snaps. Just like that. Anyways, hold on, let's have the app to show you. I think of it. The same goes to GameCube controllers, specifically standard controller. You just go. I know it says disconnected, but that was my dolphin ball. Just to your controller, like A, boop. It's not button 2. I'm gonna show you this again. So A, you press the button, see it snapped. Just like that. Okay. If you don't like the way this looks, you go to view. So mine's in list. This is how list looks. You should go to grid. And it looks like this. Dolphin as default, like if you just leave Dolphin the way it is when it comes to just in these pictures, which are called banners, it will give you them right away. See, I got some mods from Super Smash Bros. Melee. I got quite a bit, like 5 of them. No, 4. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Anyways, I think that's it. That's probably all I have to show you. If you don't like the banners, you go here, list columns, turn the banner off, and this one's show it. So that's another useful thing. You can even get resource packs, so resource pack manager. I have one for New Super Mario Bros. Wii, but you could just search up Dolphin resource and texture packs and install them. You just download them. You open the directory. You put the resource packs in documents, Dolphin emulator, and resource packs. And yeah, you don't even have. That's all you need to do for that. You may have to extract some, but other than that, you should be good. Yeah. Also, there's one last thing I probably have to show you. You can't put cheats on the Wii games and the GameCube games because the cheats manager just to decal codes or AR codes, and if it says that the currency disabled, you go to the video dolphin and enable them. And there you go. Yeah. These cheats you can download once you're in the game, so I'm in Tatsunoko vs. Capcom Ultimate All-Stars, which is a very fun fighting game. Probably one of my favorites for the Wii, just to download codes. And for this game, there's 59 codes, and apparently they added 38. So they added 38. Anyways, so if you go to Infinite's All Player, Infinite's HP Player 1 goes here, goes to the game, just a minute, I'm going to go inside the game. So, as you can see, this guy is beating, she's doing stuff and it's not doing anything. That's because I have the cheats on. So that's how that's looking. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.